Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this Garmin fish finder, the Striker Plus 4. I got it from Stuart Marine in St. Paul. They were very helpful and I really suggest this fish finder especially to be used on the kayak because it has a vertical screen and very light. So let's open the box. Here we have the unit. Fish finder looks professional, very light. Here you have the connections, the power and the transducer. So I will show you later. Here we have the transducer. Here we have the swivel bracket to mount the fish finder on the kayak or on the boat. It's swivel like this. Here we have some brackets to connect the transducer next to the propeller. In this case I'm not going to use them. And here we have the power cable. The power cable, all we need to use is the red and the black. The brown and the blue, we don't need them. And I already connected these two pins to go inside the battery. Very easy to do. And here we have some documentation, user manual and stuff like that. So now I will show you how I'm going to mount the transducer. I created this extension arm, very easy. It's just a plastic pipe with an elbow. I connected this star mount to mount it on the kayak, and here I created this bracket. This bracket goes inside the transducer like this. We put the bolt. A washer and the fly nut. Let's see how it goes. Should be fine. And now I will switch on the fish finder. I have this 12 volts battery. My friend Mario gave it to me. 12 volts, 9 amps. It should last 2 days. That then depends how much you're gonna use it. We need the power cable. All we need is just the plus and minus, the red and black. So the black goes with the black and the red with the red. And the main plug goes inside the power. Make sure you align it because there is a groove, okay, to insert it correctly. And just press on the power button for just a second, and there we go. The fish finder looks professional. It has many options and features. For example, it has GPS, You can create your routes, mark your waypoints. You can view your kayak or boat speed as well. It has 4.3-inch display. Well, I'm not going to go inside all the settings because it takes a lot of time and I'm still new to this fish finder. Well, obviously I can't wait to try this fish finder. Well, hope you enjoyed it, guys. This was just an unboxing. Hope to see you soon on the water with this upgrade. Thanks again for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.